Hey guys, so today I want to show you my remake of the Taco Bell Mexican pizza. To learn how I made this, keep watching. So here are the ingredients that you'll need. Use your favorite type of cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack and mild cheddar. You'll need green onions, tomatoes, refried beans, enchilada sauce. Use your favorite sauce. You'll need some flour shells. For the taco seasoning mixture, you can stop by your local grocery store and you can actually find the Taco Bell brand of seasoning mixture, and you can use that. I'm going to be using my own mixture that I made from scratch. I'll also list it down below if you're interested. You'll need half of a brown onion and 1.5 pounds of ground beef and 1 cup of water. So first you want to start out by dicing up all of your ingredients. You're going to dice that onion very fine. Then go ahead and chop up your green onions, your tomatoes, and when you're done it should look like this. So now you want to go ahead and grate up your cheese. So I'm going to get a head start on chopping down my meat. As you can see, I still have it on the countertop, and I'm just chopping this down nice and fine before adding it to the stove. I'm going to heat this on high heat. Once it begins to cook, I'm going to continue to chop this meat. You want this meat to be very fine and crumbly. You do not want any large chunks. So go ahead and add in your onions. Continue to let that cook. Chop the meat, okay? Then add in your taco seasoning mixture. You're gonna let that continue to cook. Now, if you've used meat that is not as lean, you want to go ahead and drain the fat from the meat before you add your taco seasoning mixture. Add in your water. Then you're gonna turn down your heat and let this simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. So now go ahead and heat up your refried beans. So the refried beans, because they're canned, they're already cooked, so you do not have to cook these. You just want to heat these up. Now we're going to begin to work on our shells. Before you place your shells into the oil, make sure that you take a knife and make very small fine cuts onto the shell. This is going to prevent it from puffing up as you fry it, okay? So also when you cook this shell, do not walk away. You want to continuously check the shell because it will cook really fast and it will burn really easily, okay? Right now my heat is on high. If I didn't mention that, it's on high, and I'm going to cook both sides of the shell and then remove it from the oil once it's done. So this is what the shells should look like. Now let's begin to assemble our Mexican pizza, okay? First, you want to start by spreading your refried beans on top of the shell. I use 3 large heaping tablespoons of refried beans, some meat, sauce, cheese. Place the other shell on top, spread some sauce on it, cheese, green onions, and your tomatoes. So when you assemble your Mexican pizza, think about you. Think about what you like, and you put as much as you like, okay? Sometimes when you go to Taco Bell, they're kind of, skimpy on their toppings. But the good thing about making it yourself is you can hook it up and put as much as you like. I'm an advocate for make it yourself. Make it yourself, okay? So I'm going to pop this inside of a 400-degree oven, which was preheated, and I only baked this for 10 minutes. So now I'm going to pull it out, let you guys see what it looks like. Let me get my camera in focus here. My camera, come on now, get in focus, please. Okay, so this is what it is looking like. So now let's begin to cut it up. So this Mexican pizza, my version, was so yummy, so delicious, and it was very filling, you guys. I was full off of just one Mexican pizza here, and hopefully you guys will give this recipe a try and let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video and make sure that you set your post notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video.